Hey everybody, it's Mike with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. Please like this video, subscribe to the channel if you also don't like insurance companies just like me. So today's video, why you need to get home insurance quotes from multiple agents. So some of the reasons why you need to get home insurance quotes from multiple agents is because insurance agents work with different insurance companies. Every insurance agent has, if we look here, let's get this going. Every insurance agent has certain insurance companies they work with. Some agents will accept to write policies for many insurance companies and push, aka sell, those policies based on the percentage of money they get for that policy. Example, let's say Unicorn Insurance is offering all agents 8% commission fee for the month of July. So you want to call agents in and out of your area. See, people make the mistake of just contacting a local agent. If you live in Tampa, you call a Tampa agent only. You live in Orlando. However, in this modern society, it doesn't matter where your agent is at. As a matter of fact, what you're going to find out, some areas of a state may have insurance companies that don't write in certain areas. Okay, as an example, we're going to get into that in the next slide. Okay, so we're going to take a look at Florida here. Here's an example. For a lot of companies, right about here, this whole area is the do not enter zone. So between on the southeast coast here from Palm Beach to Miami, Citizens writes almost half of the policies, if not more. Okay, Citizens. We know, if you guys watch my other video, we know about Citizens, right? The worst insurance company in Florida, absolutely horrible. So you find in this area, companies like Allstate, Progressive, State Farm. State Farm may have a couple here and there, but the policies are grandfathered in. But companies like those predominantly write in pretty much these areas. They don't write in these areas. Again, the State Farms, Progressive, Allstate, they stay out of kind of the hotbed of tornado land. State Farm doesn't like to do anything coastal. They try to stay in the middle of the state here. So based on that, let's say you live up in, well, let's say you're up in Fort Walton Beach. Okay, I drew right here, Fort Walton Beach. You are going to have a different slew of insurance companies that will write a policy for you than you will if you're in Miami. The people in the South here, we're really screwed. Fort Myers, Naples, all up here. You're going to have a more variety of insurance companies the further north you live from the southern part of Florida. And there's a lot of reasons for that. Some of the reasons why, now you could say, why is Fort Myers and Naples? Because they have a lot more older homes in certain areas. Hence the reason why in these areas, there's a lot of $10,000 water damage limits. Other areas too, because that's going by, but over here, people really don't have a lot of choices when it comes to insurance policies. So we're going to get into a little bit the reasons behind that, but this is a general just overview. So the benefits of contacting multiple agents, again, let's say you live in Tampa, I would call an agent in the following areas. Call 1 or 2 in Tampa, 1 or 2 in Orlando, Jacksonville, Pensacola. I think a good rule of thumb is if you can contact and get quotes from 5 different agents, you will have a good feeling of the land of insurance, okay? So the benefits of contacting the agents continued. So you're going to get agents who work with different companies with different books of business, meaning that they have different insurance companies that they can get and write policies for. So this way you're going to give a broader idea of who will insure you and for how much. Now, the most important things to keep in mind when you're talking to an agent, you want to keep your wind hurricane deductible at 2% if possible. Unless your roof is 10 years old, then I can see if you want to go 5%, 10% and you have impact window. Because I can see how a hurricane, unless it completely blows everything off, may not do much to a newer roof. You want to make sure no water damage limits of 10,000. Agents may not tell you this. You have to ask. No water damage limit or exclusions. Have to ask. Mr. and Mrs. Agent, listen. Are you giving me this crap water damage limit, water damage exclusions? People, I cannot tell you how many calls I get where people have a water damage limitation and they have a catastrophic water situation, slab leak, cast iron pipes, leaks behind cabinets, whatever. Okay, keep in mind for these new policies, a renewal or new policies after July 1st, all these new roof laws that you, the politicians. Remember my other video, Jim Boyd, the guy who gets paid by insurance companies in Bradenton, Florida, needs to be voted out. He is in bed with insurance companies, Bradenton. Okay, I'm not going to spell the whole thing. Jim Boyd. People in Bradenton, vote this guy out, please. He is in love with insurance companies and hurts homeowners. So these new roof laws take effect. I'm going to suggest you either opt out of the 2-tier deductible that they have going, or you go with one of the 2 tiers, which is a 2%, which is fine. Okay? Important things here. Make sure no roof depreciation table. Company like American Integrity has this in their policies. American Integrity, along with a few others, also have a floor limitation if you have floors that are damaged of $10,000. So, this might be the magical slide. I get calls all the time. Mike, can you recommend an insurance company? I live here in Florida. I live there in Florida. It is zip code oriented. Everything relies on the zip code. If you have McDonald's and Burger King insurance, which is supposed to be the best in the world, and you ask me, Mike, which one do you recommend? I say Burger King and McDonald's. You call an agent, hey, I want Burger King or McDonald's insurance for my home. What's your zip code? 33333. I don't know if I said too many threes. Okay, agent looks, oh, I'm sorry, all we got is Citizens for you. All right, all we got is Citizens. So, it's zip code oriented. Doesn't matter what you research. Doesn't matter who's the best. Doesn't matter who's the worst. Well, it does matter who's the worst if you're stuck with a certain zip code. They plug in your zip code and they tell you who is writing policies. So thanks for watching this video. Please like it, subscribe to the channel. So I'm Mike Keeler with the Claim Squad Public Adjusters. If you need to get a hold of me, have a question, need help with a claim, here's my cell phone, email, and my website. Hope you enjoyed this video.